Hare Krishna, and done with pranam, everyone. Thank you all for joining. So today's topic is how to solve trust issues, abandonment issues, um, you know, FOMO. I've heard this term. Have you all heard it? Fear of missing out. So these are all psychological problems which are there present in individuals, some individuals. Um, जैसे कि मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ ऑल सारे प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन इज कनेक्टिंग विद कृष्णा and in this video I would want to share that you would have trust issues with someone or abandonment issues, that what if this person, what if that person hurts me sometime down the line, or what if something happens, what if this, what if that, what if I lose my loved one, what if so many problems. There are childhood traumas, and how to deal with it. First of all, that you need to realize that why are you here on this planet. First of all, that what are these connections. All that matters is your connection with the divine, and these relationships or connections in your life is just to get you closer to Krishna. It's just to make you serve Krishna through these connections. So you're serving Krishna through these connections by seeing Krishna in these connections. As simple as it can get. So when you have trust issues, how to know whether I should trust this person or not, or how to know that this person is not going to hurt me or not, or fear of missing out. Why are these things coming in your mind? First you need to realize that you need to trust Krishna first. Core वहाँ का है. When we don't have faith on the Lord, फिर कुछ नहीं हो सकता. When you don't have faith in Krishna, once you surrender, once you everything, Krishna सब कुछ देख लेंगे. कृष्णा सब कुछ देख रहे हैं. कृष्णा knows everything. He has seen everything. He knows everything. What's happening, what's not happening, who's saying what, who's doing what, who's thinking what. So you need to realize you need to trust Krishna first. That's the core foundation of solving all the problems of treating all these issues in your life. You need to trust Krishna. You need to have so much faith on the Lord, and you should know that you have not done anything wrong to anyone or hurt anyone. Okay, fine. After that, you need to really think in that way that I know my Lord loves me a lot. No one can dare to stand in front of me who is wrong, who has some ill motives, who has some wrong intentions, bad intentions. Krishna will just remove such people from your life. This and that, telling you with experience. No one can stand in front of you if that person has a wrong intention, doing something fishy, doing something wrong. Whether you can trust that person or not, forget that. You need to first trust Krishna, that he knows everyone's intentions. No one can stand in front of me who has ill intentions about me. कोई खड़ा नहीं रह सकता. मेरे नारायण होने ही नहीं देंगे. मेरे नारायण इतने प्रोटेक्टिव है मेरे बारे में, इतने प्रोटेक्टिव है. माई लॉर्ड लव्स मी सो मच that I have faith, immense faith in Krishna. And where there is faith, there is not even a small chance of being fearful. There is faith, there is no fear. No fear at all. It's very easy to say, easier said than done, but with time, with experience in life, with birth and death, life cycles, you come to this one conclusion that Krishna is there. Krishna is watching, and he knows. you know. Eventually, all that matters is that you have Krishna in your life. Nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. Nothing else matters. You have to realize that Krishna is in my life. I have everything and everyone. Because everything and everyone is coming from Krishna. You need to realize that it's very logical, right? Like very simple to understand. If everything and everyone is coming from Krishna and is Krishna's, as long as you have Krishna in your life, you have everything. You have everyone. So I know there are many people come to me saying, Mataji, I'm fearful, this, that, how to trust, how to do. See, trusting is with time we realize who to trust, who not to trust. And our intuition tells us who's right for us, who's wrong for us. Before that, you need to create that connection with God. Before trusting someone, you need to build that solid spiritual foundation. You need to connect with Krishna. You need to start loving Krishna. You need to reciprocate that love to him. You need to make yourself pure, divine, pure. Make yourself, activate that divinity in you. Activate it. We are coming from Krishna. Everyone is extremely divine, and everyone is so precious, very special, very strong, very powerful. We need to activate that first. The more we start, stop using our free will in the wrong way, stop, we all know what we are doing, we all know what we are thinking, we know ourselves कि कौन कितने पानी में, हमको पता है कि हमारे थॉट्स कैसे, किसके लिए क्या है, हमारी इंटेंशंस क्या है, हम लोग क्या सोचते हैं, हमारी सोच कैसी, हमें खुद को पता रहता है कि हम अंदर से क्या है. सो फोकस ऑन दैट. उसको कैसे मैं बदलूँ, उसको मैं कैसे बेटर करूँ, उसको मैं कैसे कृष्णा की तरफ लेके जाऊँ. एंड वंस वी स्टार्ट, वी रियलाइज दैट वंस वी I feel सारे problems वहाँ से शुरू होते हैं when we have that lack of love for God, lack of love for Krishna. Once we love Krishna, automatically सारी चीज़ें आसान हो जाएंगी यार. Once we, and how to love Krishna, that love is there. You just need to activate it by namasmaran, by chanting, by doing so many services towards Krishna and his children and his devotees, and lots of satsang, lots of hearing, listening to Krishna Katha, Bhagavatam, Gita, and so many services, and then we start activating that sense. So I want to just share in this video that I understand there are many fears of what if, right? Many fears. Everyone goes through that what if. It's very simple. जो होना है लाइफ में, ठीक है, let it happen. You don't have any control over someone else's free will. You have control on your free will. As long as you're doing the right thing every single day after you're waking up, and you know that you're not doing anything wrong with anyone or injustice with anyone, or even thought भी गलत नहीं आना चाहिए किसी के लिए, ठीक है. Rest. Just relax. There is someone who is constantly watching, and there is someone who loves you more than just fit कर दो अभी ये वीडियो. मैं बोल रही हूँ, सुनो ठीक से, सुनिए सब लोग. There is someone who loves you, and you have no idea how much that love is. He loves you a lot. A lot means a lot. There is उसकी सीमा नहीं है. There is someone who is watching over you, who loves you a lot, and you're under his protection, under his guidance. You just have to show him or activate that love for him. You have to show him that you're serious, that you really, really want to go towards Bhagavad Prapti and towards Krishna, because he knows that we are all in pain on this material world. Srila Prabhupada said that when we cut our finger, there's a cut, our body is in pain because the finger is connected to the body, right? Similarly, all the souls are connected to Paramatma. They're coming from Paramatma. So Paramatma automatically feels the pain because we are connected to him. We're coming from him. We are all his children. Right? So he knows. That's why he comes, takes avatar. That's why he tells us that we are not supposed to be here. That's why he sends Guru Maharaj. He sends such divine souls from where they're not from this planet. They're from somewhere else, and he sends so that they can deliver us or bring us towards Krishna. We can't directly reach Krishna. We are so fallen. It's just the causeless mercy of Guru Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada, and so many senior devotees that we can connect to Krishna, can understand, try to just reciprocate that love. Try. So yeah, always remember that you can't trust someone. ठीक है, trust Krishna. कोई भी कभी कुछ गलत नहीं हो सकता आपके लाइफ में. आपके लाइफ में कोई गलत इंसान एंटर नहीं हो सकता. आपके सामने कोई गलत इंसान खड़ा नहीं हो सकता. घर में कोई गलत इंसान आ नहीं सकता. कुछ भी गलत नहीं हो सकता. You have to have faith. एंड जब कृष्णा देखते हैं ना कि ये फेथ, यार इतना अटूट फेथ है, तो कृष्णा को आना ही पड़ता है. कृष्ण कभी विश्वास भरोसा कभी नहीं तोड़ते किसी भक्त का, किसी इंसान. सभी उनके बच्चे हैं, किसी भी बच्चे का भरोसा कभी नहीं तोड़ेंगे. हाँ, अगर वो प्योर है, इंटेंशंस प्योर है, सच्चा है, उसने कुछ गलत किया नहीं है, उसकी इंटेंशंस सही है, एंड ही हैज़ फेथ ऑन द लॉर्ड, and he knows that God, Krishna knows that he has not done anything wrong, and he has faith in Krishna. He has that faith. Prahlad Maharaj had faith that my God is everywhere. His father asked, "Kidhar hai? Where is God? Is your God in this pillar?" With immense faith, unwavering faith, he said, "Yes, he's in the pillar. He's also in the pillar. He's also in the pillar. He is everywhere." And that's when Narsimhadev came from the pillar, right? It's not about non-living things, living things. It's Krishna is present in the air. Krishna is present in the plant, sky, in this non-living object, and everywhere. It's just in your consciousness or your nazar, like how you see things, how you portray things. It's divine everywhere and in everyone. There is divine in everyone and everywhere. Once we start realizing that, automatically सब कुछ easy हो जाएगा. We will not hurt anyone. We will not get angry on anyone, upset on anyone, jealous on anyone. There won't be competition, jealousy, envious nature. There will be love, compassion, kindness. That's what our soul wants and needs, and it wants love, and it likes to love. That's our true nature, right? Satchidanand. That's our nature. That's where we're coming from. So we need to realize that, and automatically when we see that Krishna is in the air we are breathing, Krishna is in the intellect, Krishna is the taste of water, Krishna is equivalent to the name of Krishna which we are taking. When we're chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Krishna comes and dances on our tongue. When we realize all these things, start automatically our reactions change, and every reaction we're giving right now will create our next body, right? So be careful. There will not be any pollution, not air pollution, water pollution. रास्ते पे आजकल छोटे रैपर निकाल के फेंक दे रहे हैं या जो भी है. When we see divinity in that small wrapper also, or divinity on on everywhere, like not just the wrapper but in the trees, on like in the smallest thing, automatically our mind will be like, we should not let her, we should respect. अगर गलती से पैर भी लगता है हमारा किसी चीज़ को या विद्या को या पुस्तक को, या पुस्तक तो छोड़िए पेपर को या कुछ भी, हम लोग ऐसे क्यों करते हैं? Why do we do that? Because there is divine energy in it. We have been taught that Arey, Saraswati Mata, and everything is coming from Krishna, right? When we see divinity in everything and everyone, we automatically start respecting it. And if we love Krishna, we'll see Krishna in everything and everyone, and our reactions will change. Automatically, the world will start changing. People's mind, people's everything will start changing, you know. So, and yeah, let's try to do something for everyone, for the society, and try to see divinity in Krishna and everyone and everything. So yeah, today's topic was how to deal with trust issues and anxiety, like fear of missing out, and fear of abandonment. I feel the more you focus on God, the more these fears will start deteriorating and going, because we need to end में realize करना है कि हम अकेले आए हैं, अकेले जाएंगे. सिर्फ और सिर्फ भगवान हमारे साथ है, गुरु महाराज हमारे साथ हैं, बाकी ऑल दीज कनेक्शंस विल कम एंड गो. ये पर्टिकुलर बर्थ में मिले हैं कनेक्शंस, आगे डेथ के बाद अपने अपने कर्म के हिसाब से, भक्ति के हिसाब से इंडिविजुअल आत्मा की जर्नी अलग अलग डायरेक्शन में जाएगी, जिस हिसाब से जिसने कर्म किया है, राइट. सो आसक्ति सिर्फ अटैचमेंट सिर्फ कृष्णा से होनी चाहिए, किसी और से नहीं. एंड जब आसक्ति या अटैचमेंट हो जाती है, देन वी हैव दैट fear of, oh my god, codependency. Dependency should only be on Krishna, otherwise then we'll have to take birth again, right? So the more you start doing spiritual practices and start activating yourself, your soul, and start polishing that soul, pushing that soul towards its true sanatan or eternal, the original nature, then all these fears will start going. There are fear of death, but you need to realize that is what, the more, so many, ऐसे लिखा गया है कि number of नाम जप के बाद that fear of death also starts going, deteriorating. There's a specific number. उसके बाद fear of death also starts going to go. What is that? That is just one step going closer to Krishna. You either are going to get your constitutional position or your spiritual body and go back to Krishna where he is, or else if you don't complete, or you don't if you're not up to that mark where you're not going, you're closer to Bhagavad Prapti, or no, you're not getting that spiritual body, then you get a birth where you are continuing that process of your soul's process but that next body is also one step closer to Krishna. Because if you have chanted Krishna's name, Krishna promises that I'll give you birth where spiritual practices will be there, Harinam will be there, there will be Guru Maharaj will come in your life. So every step is just getting closer to Krishna. When you die, your body is dying, soul will continue. सोल जाएगा तो कृष्णा के पास जाएगा, या फिर ऐसे बॉडी में जाएगा जहाँ पे वो बॉडी में आप वापस नामस्मरण करके जितना आपका वो जर्नी बाकी है आत्मा का, सोल का, वो करे. एंड व्हेन कृष्णा थिंक्स दैट यू आर रेडी टू कम बैक होम, ही विल नलिफाई ऑल योर संचित कर्मा एंड टेक यू बैक. Death is just one step closer to the Lord. And so yeah, this was a small video which I really wanted to share with you all. So thank you. Hare Krishna. Start chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. It's Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.